How to log in FactoHR Employee account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. After you open it, at the top you can see that search bar. Just tap on it and type in there FactoHR Employee Login. Now you have to tap on this link, Employee Self-Service Portal for Empowering the Workforce. Open it. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right, you will find three bars. Tap on it. Head towards this option of login. Tap on it. Now over here, you will need to type in your work email ID or mobile number and then tap on submit. Just type in the mobile number or the work email. And once you are done, you can tap on submit and you will be logged into your FactoHR Employee account. This was it. This is how you can easily log into your FactoHR Employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.